Best penny stocks to buy on April 22nd, 2026, part 2. So, our next stock is Ideal Power Incorporated. Stock symbol IPWR. It is up today 18% or 59 cents, trading at $3.74. Since this morning, it already traded only 518,000 shares, basically 500,000 shares. Market cap of the company is $45 million. However, this company is from a semiconductor sector. So this sector is hot because of AI. Everybody's trying to design chips that, will work faster and more efficient and consume less energy. So by looking at the name of the company, Ideal Power, it could be interpreted in different ways because it's fast, maybe because it doesn't consume a lot of power, it's very efficient, who knows. The main thing is the move today is very strong, and I think it's been triggered by some kind of news that this company just released. So if I were you, I would consider maybe getting into it, because guess what? If you pull that trigger at $3.81 and the stock goes back to its previous levels, by the way, it used to trade almost at $6 a share just 3 months ago. So if you buy 381 and it goes to 6, you could almost double your money. But again, check the news, see what's going on there, and only after that decide to pull the trigger. Next one is Nasus Pharma Limited. Stock symbol NSRX. It is up today 18% or 60 cents, trading at $3.81. Since this morning, it already traded 285,000 shares, which is very little actually. Market cap of the company is $45 million. So this company is from a pharmaceutical sector, and by looking at it, it looks like a typical pharmaceutical penny stock. Basically, just 4 months ago, the stock used to trade at $9 a share. Then it collapsed all the way to $2. While it was collapsing in the last 4 months, nobody was trading it. There was a couple of, actually one day when the stock collapsed from $5 all the way to like $3. And that's when it experienced a very heavy trading volume. But this volume was because people were dumping that stock. Today, situation is a little bit different. We have very nice trading volume, not record trading volume. But, actually, yeah, right now the trading volume is only 288,000, so it's not even healthy. So I don't know. You should just take a look, see what drives that stock, because I personally not sure if I like that stock, because if it jumped 18% and only 288,000 shares were traded, that's not enough. That's kind of like the stock is almost invisible to investors with trading volume like this. So who knows? I prefer trading volume in millions, because then it ensures that the stock is known or being at least monitored by a lot of people on Wall Street. And if something good happens, they all swarm in and start buying those shares, bumping them higher and higher. And this is exactly what you need if you want to trade stocks and don't hold them forever like Warren Buffett. So take a look. Nasus Pharma. Next one is Replimune Group Incorporated. Stock symbol REPL. It is up today 12% or 32 cents, trading at $2.19. Since this morning, it already traded 13 million shares. Market cap of the company is $180 million. So this company is from biotechnology sector. In other words, they're developing some kind of medication. So, and the story here is kind of typical for, biotechnology stocks like this one. Just 4 months ago, they used to trade at $10 a share. Then it collapsed all the way to like $1, okay? In the last couple of weeks, it was basically stabilizing around $2 because it bounced off $1 and started to kind of consolidate at around $2. However, some kind of news, I guess, were released, and the stock is up 16%, which is not that huge, but the stock is trading at $2.17, while its resistance area was only $2. So maybe it will go higher, and you will see much better profits on this thing. But I personally probably wouldn't put my money into it because it's just too thinly traded, and when you need to sell a lot of stock, and I sell a lot of stock, I need like buyers with deep pockets that could actually execute those trades. So next one is FSC Corp, stock symbol KBSX. It is up today 18% or 22 cents, trading at $1.45. Since this morning, it already traded 5 million shares. Market cap of the company is $65 million. So this company is from financial conglomerates sector. And it was kind of like, it wasn't a very popular stock. It was kind of choppy. It used to trade at $1.60, then it went all the way to $1, then back to $1.60, and right now it's trading at $1.45. The only thing is that it has I guess pretty good volume, like a record trading volume, 5 million shares right now. So a lot of new buyers are stepping in and trying to acquire those shares. But the upside potential, I'm not sure, because if you buy at $1.45 and this thing could go to $1.60, you could make like 15 cents on each share, which is kind of very small amount. But nevertheless, take a look. Maybe the news that were released by the company, they're so-called long-term playing news, meaning that they will affect the stock price for, I don't know, several weeks, maybe several days, and the stock will keep going up, so who knows. Next one is Aether Holdings, stock symbol ATHR. It is up today 16% or 55 cents, trading at $3.85. Since this morning, it already traded only 15,000 shares. That's very little. And what can I tell you? Market cap of the company is $46 million. But the stock sector is internet software and services. And once I see that, and we know that we got AI kicking in, and basically a lot of software companies are letting go their programmers. At the same time, the productivity of whoever is left is skyrocket, so they could generate those apps and make it, pretty robust experience. So maybe this company had something to do with that, introduced AI into the service, into the internet software, and maybe that boosted the productivity. But the other thing is they could have laid off some people, and the market always loves that. So if you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website 4pnn.com and download my app called Penny Gems. It covers 2,000 penny stocks trading under $5, and you would always know what are the best stocks to buy, to sell, and to hold. Thank you for your time and good luck trading. Bye bye now.